Are you having trouble finding the perfect crowd-pleasing shot or cocktail? Tune in to learn how easy it is to crush your party cocktail game. If you'd like to learn how to make fun, fresh, and easy cocktails, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll get notified every time there's a new video. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for a tip that will change your cocktail game and make your cocktails Instagram worthy. I'm Rochelle Jones, owner of Southern Twist Cocktail Company and the Boozy Mermaid. I've been making tens of thousands of drinks for customers for over a decade. Now I'm here to show you how to make amazing cocktails. Are you ready? Let's do this. By the end of this video, you learn how to make 4 delicious variations of one of the most popular vodka shots out there, the lemon drop. But don't worry about being basic, because I'm going to show you how to make these recipes not only as shots, but also as cocktails that can be served both as a martini and on the rocks. Welcome to the second video in the Southern Summer Cocktail series, where the focus is fun, fresh, and easy. We're gonna begin just with the basic lemon drop recipe, and keep in mind it's easy to adjust based on your preference for sweetness or tartness. What you're gonna need: 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of rich simple syrup, which is just 2 parts sugar to 1 part water, and of course, your vodka. All right, so this recipe is meant for 2 shots. Now what you're gonna do before you pour it is you want to just add a little sugar rim to your shot glass. So take your lemon slice and just dip it right into a little bowl of sugar, just like that. All right, so you're gonna strain that right into the shot glass. Take that wedge, put it right on there. Add your little final garnish, and there you have the lemon drop. Before we begin the first variation, I'd love to know, what is your favorite shot to drink? Drop it in the comments below. I am so excited to show you these recipes. The first one may be my favorite, strawberry thyme lemon drop. Here's what you'll need. You're gonna want about 3 strawberries, 2 ounces of fresh thyme, and of course you have your fresh lemon juice, rich simple syrup, vodka, and last but not least, this one calls for a little bit of Prosecco. All right, so you're just gonna take a mixing glass, throw in those strawberries, just some sliced strawberries, add those sprigs of thyme, and take 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of the rich simple syrup. Now we're gonna go ahead and muddle this. And one little trick I was taught long ago that has come in very handy when making drinks is to save your liquor until last. And last but not least, we're gonna add that vodka. That looks delicious already. Just gonna strain this right into the shot glasses. And remember, you wanna leave a little room on top for that Prosecco. Oh yeah. Sorry, I get really excited about drinks like this. All right, pop that Prosecco right on top. A little splash will do. And I like to put the Prosecco into something a little bit easier to pour, because out of the bottle, kind of splash it everywhere. And finish up with just a strawberry garnish. All right, and there you have the strawberry thyme lemon drop. Now, what's a summer better than fresh watermelon? For this next variation, we're gonna be making a watermelon basil lemon drop. You're gonna need about 2 ounces of fresh watermelon, about 1 ounce of fresh basil leaves, and of course, your fresh lemon juice, rich simple syrup, and vodka. All right, so you're gonna add that ounce of lemon juice, ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna go right into this mixing glass here because we are gonna muddle the basil. I'm gonna 2 ounces of watermelon. Just love the color of watermelon, so gorgeous. And throw the basil leaves right in there. Using about 3 or 4. If you love basil, you can always add more. And you don't need to muddle it too much. Just kind of give it a couple seconds of muddling there. Now we're going to add that vodka and shake this up. All right, now we're just going to finish these up with a little watermelon slice. And there you have it. Watermelon basil lemon drop. Now, how refreshing does that look? And be sure you stick around because I'm going to show you how to dress up these cocktails and make them martinis, cocktails on the rocks, and to show you a little simple trick so you can really make them look Instagram worthy. Okay, if you enjoy rosé like I do, then you are going to love these next 2 drinks. Next, we're going to make a blueberry mint lemon drop. Here's what you're going to need. 3 to 4 mint sprigs, about 1 ounce of fresh blueberries, and here we have 1 ounce of dry sparkling rosé. So don't forget, you want that to be a dry rosé, because if you don't pick dry, it's going to be way too sweet. And of course, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of rich simple syrup, and 2 ounces of vodka. All right, so first you're just going to combine the blueberries and the mint right into a mixing glass. Add the 1 ounce of lemon juice and the 1 ounce of simple syrup. All right, now we're just going to muddle this. And you don't want to muddle it too much, but you do want to break those blueberries up and just release those oils from the mint. You're going to add the 2 ounces of vodka. All right, now we're just going to shake this up. Make sure you leave some room on top for that sparkling rosé. Perfect, perfect. And finish with that little bit of mint. All right, and there you have the blueberry and mint lemon drop. For this next recipe, I'm going to show you a new product that I'm sure a lot of you are going to love. Svedka Rosé flavored vodka. We're going to be making a rosé grapefruit lemon drop. Here's what you'll need. Svedka Rosé vodka, some fresh grapefruit juice, lemon juice, and simple syrup. All right, so you're going to use 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of rich simple syrup, and last but not least, 2 ounces of the Svedka Rosé vodka. All right, now we're going to garnish these with a pretty little lemon twist. And there you have the Rosé Grapefruit Lemon Drop. Now, for my top tip of the week. This trick will make your cocktails look like they came straight out of a cocktail book, and it's super easy. Just add some all-natural food coloring to your sugar before you rim your shot or cocktail glass. So you can get something like this, a shot that's worthy for Instagram. All right, so at the beginning of the video, I told you that these recipes work great not just for shots, but also as cocktails. So what you do, instead of pouring those recipes into 2 shot glasses, you're just going to make 1 cocktail with each recipe. And you can have some fun with it. You can dress these up and make them look like $1,000,000. Here we have the strawberry thyme lemon drop. And that one is served as a martini. And again, you can serve these up or on the rocks. The next one is the watermelon basil lemon drop. We have the rosé and grapefruit lemon drop. And this one is a blueberry mint lemon drop. Which lemon drop from today do you want to try? Let me know in the comments below. Now that you know how to make these delicious lemon drop cocktails, it's time to learn even more recipes that will wow your friends and impress your party guests. That's why I created a free recipe guide for you, Guide to Classic Cocktails, 10 essential classic cocktails every cocktail lover should know. Get yours now by clicking the link in the description box below. If you liked today's video, please let me know by liking it below, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow cocktail lovers. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday for the third installment of the Southern Summer Cocktail Series, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite recipes with sweet tea vodka. You don't want to miss this one. Cheers.